They have already given the syllabus. So according to the syllabus, I gave you the assignments. But now, only yesterday I got this particular message from our department. So no other go. We have to strictly follow their commands.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you please explain the assignment in details, the new one? Actually, I'm not able
Yes,
to get it clearly.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
sure.
I also.
Okay.
And a little details so that it will be easier for us.
Yes. See, you have. Are you having the syllabus with you? Have I sent that syllabus?
No.
No.
No. Okay, fine.
Which syllabus? I mean, like
For
there's no syllabus
CT1,
or
now I am posting the particular CT1 syllabus in your group. You can view it.
I mean the GCR or the WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is forwarded.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes. So you have bar diagram, pie diagram, and flow chart. You know what is bar diagram? Have you heard about bar diagram?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. So what about flow chart and pie diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So it is data inter. One sec. So it is data interpretation. So you have three charts interpretations: bar diagram, bar, pie, and flow chart. So you want me to take class today in this particular topic because your deadline for submission is 23 October. So you
No.
want to take.
Yes, ma'am. Take this class as the explanation.
Okay.
Please explain in this class so that it'll help us to like complete the assignment in time.
Okay. So today 14. Fine. So I don't have the PPT of pi and flow. So first we can have a bar diagram. Wait, I will share the screen. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So here are some tips for describing data. So use sequence words. So if you're describing a data, it is like comparison, like contrast, distinguish between. So bar diagram is to compare two things. So comparing two things will be described in particular data, that is bar diagram. So using your sequence words, for example, first, second, third, fourth, and final thing. So you have to use this coherence order to sequel the datas. And next, you using anaphoric references. So you can give this anaphoric references. You can use this, it, he, and but, and synonyms too. So vocabulary, use a wide range, appropriate and academic. So let me show you an example. So this is a transport in London. So you have, are you able to see this diagram, bar diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is like comparison of train, car, tube, bus. So comparing one with each another is what you are like giving a statistical data of comparison of two or many things in a particular diagram is what bar diagram means. So you are giving like train train details, car details, tube and buses. So you're comparing the levels, the percentage of usage of the modes of transportation in London. So here you have years 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you have years in this order. So first, I told you, no, you have to use sequence words. So you have to give in an orderical manner and you have to compare. So in which year, which mode of transportation is high in London. So this is like bar diagram is very simple. It is comparing one with another things. So the main writing skills include describing numerical data. It is all about describing a numerical data. As I said before, identifying differences and similarities, comparing and contrasting, identify and describing trends. So bar diagram is nothing but it is a numerical data which is used to identify the differences and similarities or to compare and contrast the particular thing. So how to preparation is identify the main trends for each mode. So and next is identify any large increase or decrease. Are there any clear or consistent directions? Do anything seem particularly significant? Are there any clear relationship between modes and percentage? So as in this particular diagram, you have to see which trends of mode is largely used in particular times, and you have to see whether it is increasing or whether it is decreasing in the transportation mode. And next you have to see the clear and consistent direction, whether it is always in a up position or like increase, or if it is in a down position, that is decrease. You have to see whether it is increasing or decreasing. So does anything seem particular significant? So you have to see whether they have a particular significant, like in a same level or in the same mode of transportation. You have to see whether it seems in an horizontal order. Are there any clear relationship between modes and percentage? So you have to give. See, in this diagram, you have percentage of commuters, that is transportation in London. So you have this horizontal way, you have train, car, tube, bus. So it is mentioning that the mode of transportation in an horizontal level and the percentage in the vertical level. And the bar, so bar is have you seen these three bars? You have red color, yellow color, blue color or violet color. So this is what bar, a line or a bar which is used to indicate the level of mode. So that is what bar diagram. So using the bars, you are giving a particular statistical data or numerical data for a particular thing. So this is like examples. So use of train. So it is increasing and it is just increased in 20% or 18%, and again it is increased to 28 or 29%. Again it is decreased. So it is decreasing and increasing and also decreasing. So there is no flow, like there is no parallel flow in that train usage. So sometimes it is in an increased position or sometimes it is in a falling position. And again taking of cars. So here paragraph 2, train, the number of people using trains at first row from just under 20% in 1960 to about 26% in 1980, and then fell back to about 23 in 2000. So in in 1960 it is 20%. So this violet color bar is indicating in 1960 it is of 20% of people using trains. And next it is the red bar. The red bar shows that it increased to 20 to 26% in 1980. So after 20 years, it raised, and again it fell back in 2000. It is fell back like 23%. So you have three modes, three bars, 20, 26, and 22. 1960, 1980, 2000. So this is what. Farzan, can you mute yourself? Yes, thank you. So you have this particular difference. It is indicated by the mode of using trains. And next, use of tubes. Again the same thing. 27% in 1960, 22% in 1980, 25% in 2000. So according to train, it decreased and then it is increased and then it fell down. So when comparing to train, tubes is just increased to 27% in 1960, 22% in 1980, and again it climbed back to reach 25 by 2000. So this is like showing the difference between the increasing of percentage and the years modes between train and tubes. So here the use of cars and buses. So like in 1960 the car usage is very less, and in 2000 it is like it attained a drastic changes. In 2000 it reaches a high percentage in the using of car. And while comparing to bus, but first in 1960 the bus percentage is increased, and again in 2000 in 1980 it just fell little bit lower percentage, and next in 2000 it fell to the ground. So like using of cars, the increase in using of cars is the reason for decreases the uses of bus. So you can have the comparison between car and bus with the help of bar diagram. So paragraph 4, uses of bus and car. Reference. On the other hand, the use of car increased steadily from just over 5% in 1960 to 23% in 1980, reaching at most 40% by 2000. So you can have a constant steady increase in the usage of cars. Whereas the popularity of buses has declined since 1960, falling just under 35% in 1960 to 27% in 1980 and only 15% in 2000. So here the one hand it is steady increase of cars, and the other hand the falling of bus. So conclusion, you can have, you can see this picture, you have this arrow marks, which indicates the increase and decrease of the mode of transportation in London. So using of trains, car, tubes and bus, you have some increase in position or increase in percentage and some in decreasing percentage. The concluding paragraph summarizes the main findings of the chart. So comparison, bar diagram is to compare things. The graph indicates the growing uses of cars from commuting to work between 1960 to 2000. So we have the statistical data from 1960 to 2000. So what statistical data? The mode of transportation in London. So what kind of modes? Car, bus, train and tube. So you have these modes of transportation in London. So we are learning about the usages of transportation in London in particular years like 1960 to 2000, and the corresponding decline in the popularity of buses from being the most popular mode of transport in 1960 to the least popular in 2000. So you have popular mode of bus being the most popular mode, and you have least least in 2000 is also a bus. It got raised and it suddenly it fall off in 2000. So so you have to see the difference between the increase and decreasing and the mode where the transportation where takes place in between 1960 to 2000 in London. The main writing skill performed up. So again the same, you have to keep in mind while you're writing a bar diagram, you are describing a numerical data. You cannot give in a paragraph mode where you like in pie diagram or in flowchart you have wordings. So you can give the percentage or the data using words and using any other kinds. So in particular bar diagram, you can only describe the numerical data rather than the others. So identifying differences and similarities. So you are identifying the differences. You are comparing and contrasting the differences. As in early example, you are comparing and contrasting the modes of transportation in London. So identifying and describing the trends. So you can use particular trends. So for example, you can take corona virus as your sample. So like in each month you can take it starts from January 2019, January to March to March
December 2019.
Yes, it is from 2019. It has started. It started by 2019. No, like December,
November. November.
Yes. Yes, so you can have it as 2019 November. Like year months, you can calculate by months, and by giving the like datas, how it increase or if it is decreasing in the district wise or state wise, you can give state wise. So Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, you can take Pondicherry, you can give particular thing, and you can give bar diagram whether it is increased in the month of November, December, January, February. So you can give. So you can take at least last 5 months or 7 months of data. You can give as example, and this is also one example. And you have to do one second. So they have mentioned that this is regarding assignment 1 mentioned in the academic calendar, instructed as 3 questions to be framed. Transcoding of bar chart is first question. So you have to first write what is bar diagram, and next you have to give one example. So you have to state an example. You have to explain the example like question in a question manner, and next you have to give a chart, bar chart, and you have to explain. As I explained, no, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. So you can explain your own example. And again, the pie chart. So pie chart I will teach you, and again the drawing a flow chart. So you need to write 3 questions, including bar diagram, pie diagram, and flow chart. Students should write the answers in their English note, submit the pics of the same in GCR, insisted to be made on the student writing his name and register number on the top and bottom of each page, and it should be visible in picture. So each picture you have to mention your name in the you can take as to form a uniformity. all students, you can write your name and register number in the right hand top, like top right. You can write your register number and your name. Bottom of the page, it should be visible in the pic. Last date for submission is 23 and you will get 5 marks. Kindly ensure that the entire class submits the assignments. So you have any queries in assignments?
Ma'am, everyone has to choose different topics.
Yes, you should take different topics.
If there is a common topic,
There is no common topic. You can take different topics of your own.
Ma'am, you will be sending new assignment in GCR?
Yes, like I will create this assignment. Like before assignment, we can delete that and we can create like title and the last date for submission, and we'll post like transcoding of bar diagram, pie diagram, drawing a flow chart of the process. So we can give it as a description, and you can do by your own examples.
ma'am, you will not teach us fire diagram how to make.
No, I will. No, I will. So in time being, today I have taught you bar diagram. Is it fine without PPT? Can I teach pie diagram, or you need PPT?
PPT.
Because right now I am not.
Ma'am, need PPT.
Ma'am, need PPT.
So we can have. Are we having tomorrow class English? No. So day order 1, no class. Day order 2 also no. In day order 3. So can we have day order 3 pie diagram and flow chart?
Okay, ma'am.
Because right now I didn't prepare because yesterday I'm on leave. Today also I'm on leave. So I'm not well to prepare that. So suddenly I got this forward message yesterday. So I am not able to prepare your PPT. So bar diagram, this PPT is like I have it before, like 2 years before I have this. But pie and flow chart, I don't. I know to teach, but you need PPT for better understanding.
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So so just wait for 2 days, and if you're okay with bar diagram, you can start doing your first question. And Saturday I will teach you pie diagram and flow chart. So it is very easy. The 3 questions were in an easy manner. You can surf in net for your questions too. So you can take recent trends, and you can have a survey type.
Okay.
Ma'am, please upload the assignment today and with all the explanations to how to write the thing and
Yes.
put it in
Yes,
the assignment.
yes, sure. You will
Ma'am,
have. Yes.
ma'am, for
Yes.
a bar graph we should have different topic, and for pie chart we should have different topic, or same topic also, no problem.
Are you able to do with same progress for same question for 3 things?
That's what
Because
I'm asking.
no, because bar diagram will indicate the comparison and using of numerical data. Pie diagram, like I taught you, communication, a round picture. Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
let
Yes,
me-
ma'am.
round picture, and you have a division parts and 7% of words, 58% of non-verbal communication. That is what pie chart. Pie chart will indicate in a round manner by dividing the parts, and you can have it as a percentage. And flow chart is like preparation. For example, preparation of tea. For example, if you are preparing a tea, first start. You have to give start, and you have to give a arrow mark, and you have to add milk, add sugar. So flowchart is like a process. So look for it. If the question can be related to three transcoding, you can give. So you have to
Otherwise, we
select
need to have three
a
topics.
question which suits these three, which that particular example will suit three questions. Yes.
Otherwise, we need to have three topics differently.
Yeah, that is more comfort for you to choose three different topics, and it is better to have three different topics.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Wait, let me post. Let me delete this particular assignment. And I'm sorry, I don't. They didn't inform me that they will give that particular assignments. So I gave you this assignment. So if you're done with your assignment, just keep it with you. Whether I have any gap to give marks, I will ask that particular thing and I will give that marks.
Those who have not done,
Those who are not done, you can leave it. So instruction point, I'm giving the questions. Transcoding. One is program. Second is start. Third one is so start. So your points is for 5 marks. Due date is October 23, Friday. So you can see your GCR later. I have created that particular assignments. You can delete this. So are you clear with your assignments? On day order 3, I will take remaining two topics, your pie diagram and bar diagram.
ma'am, please share this PPT. Bar graph.
But yes, sure.
And we have to make bar graph like this, na, which is shown in PPT.
Pardon?
Ma'am, the bar graph assignment which you have to make is like that, na, you showed in PPT with different topic.
No, with different topics. So bar diagram, you will take one topic, and pie one, and flowchart one. You have to take three different questions, and you can frame for each things.
Ma'am, we are not understanding the structure of the assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
How to make bar graph?
yes,
The structure, how
Yes,
to write the assignment, like in physics we have aim, apparatus, reward, etc. like that.
yes, fine. I got your question. See,
Yes,
first
ma'am.
you have to give title, that is bar diagram. So let me give example for how to frame like steps for bar diagram. First, you have to give title, and you have to give 2 lines of definition. You can surf in net and just read that definition, and you can write by yourself. So you have to define that bar diagram, and you have to write your question which you have chosen for your bar diagram. So write that question, and next you have to diagram. So you have to draw that diagram. So I just showed the bars, the particular chart. So you have to draw that kind of diagram and start explaining it. And last, you have to conclude. That's all. Any doubts?
Ma'am, how many sheets?
That is up to you. You can communicate with your friends, and you can do it.
We can have same topic, ma'am.
You can take same topic.
Ma'am, you can provide all the topics to all the
Yes,
students, different.
Give
That
us
would be a
5-6
very
topics to the whole class.
specific topic.
See, if you're choosing a particular topic or a particular question, it is very comfort for you to write rather than which I can give you. So then you will have to, like, you will get many queries in that particular question. So it is very much easy work that you have chose. You can choose your questions rather than I can give you. But like giving one particular question to the class, like you are having 74 or 8 in strength, 76. So 76 will get up same question pattern, and you will get same answers. It will not look nice. So you can have different topics. So we can ban that particular question. So I told you that question, so don't take that. You can have a different topic.
Ma'am, if the topic clashes,
What if the topics clash with like a certain possibility of clashing of certain topic?
Okay, for your convenience, I can do a thing from my side. So I can give a couple of questions. You can choose whatever you want in that particular thing, and no one should or else we can do one thing. So first 10 register numbers, we can have one particular set of question, and next 10 register numbers will have another particular set of question. Is that okay for you?
It's better.
yes, ma'am, it's better.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just give me 2 days time, and day order 3, I will teach you the pie chart and flow chart, and we can discuss that particular questions too. I will post that question in your Google in your WhatsApp group, so you can take it and you can perform it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt regarding assignment?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for confirmation, I would like to ask that so we have to take a topic, research about it, make a bar chart, and then explain it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do all this in A4 sheet.
No, they have mentioned it. No, you have to, students should write the answers in their English notebooks. Notebook.
Ma'am, English note should be rule or white.
In last class itself, I told you it is better to have in unruled sheet, white sheet. So
We have
rule,
rule notebooks already for
But
English.
we have get the class notes in ruled one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
see, like for diagrams and all those stuff, unruled note will look good. So you have marks, no, regarding your presentation, your handwriting. So only the assignment topics were
But
changed.
ma'am, we have purchased the notebooks.
Yes.
And made our English notes also.
And we can paste an ruled
Otherwise,
page in
yes,
between them.
you can buy A4 sheet, you can do your assignment, and you can just paste that in your English notebook. Or just you can pin your assignments at the last page of your English note.
Or we can just directly buy unruled notebook if we have not made a notebook till now.
Yes. If you're not start write out your note English notes in your English notebook, you can just buy unruled note and you can write. So I need assignment in unruled sheet, white sheet. With need presentation, only the assignment topics were changed, but the rules were common for every assignment. So your handwriting should be neat. Like your content should be in a coherence order, and you have to use your own words, and then the presentation you have to give it in a neat presentation manner.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the bars, the graph, and the pie chart, we have to draw them, or we can make them in the computer and then take a printout of it and paste that.
No,
in
you
the-
can just draw it. Why like burdening yourself by taking a print? Just make use of your pencil and you can draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, does it have to be colorful or something?
Yes, it is very much appreciated if you are using your colors. Like that is what your presentation, like need presentation. If you need to, I have showed you know that bar diagram. They have used the colors to differentiate. So you can use colors to differentiate that data.
Those pencil colors.
It is up to you. You can use pencil, color pencil, or your sketch. And color pencil is much formal, much good than your sketch. Sketch will be had the print in next impression in next page. No, so you can use color pencils. Any other doubts? Okay. So can I have an answer for your attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
51. 51 present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present, ma'am.
56.
Ma'am, he is present.
It is present. Okay. 57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
One sec. So where are left? 57. What about 57 absent? Okay, 57. 58.
Ma'am, present 58. You already take attendance of 58.
So what about 57?
Don't know. I guess he was also there. First.
Oh, I didn't get present from 57. 50%. 59.
58 is present.
Okay. 59.
Present, ma'am.
50. Sorry, 60.
Present, ma'am.
61.
Present, ma'am.
62.
Present, ma'am.
63.
Present, ma'am.
64.
Present, ma'am.
65.
Present, ma'am.
66.
Present, ma'am.
67. 67. Absolutely. 8.
Present, ma'am.
69.
Present, ma'am.
70.
Present, ma'am.
71.
Present, ma'am.
72. 72. 72 present. 72.
Present.
Fine. 73.
Present, ma'am.
94.
अब मत
74.
चिल्लाना.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 75.
Present, ma'am.
76. 76 absent. 78.
I'm 77, ma'am.
Sorry, 77.
Present, ma'am.
78.
Present, ma'am.
79.
Yes, ma'am.
79 percent. 80.
Present, ma'am.
81. 81 absent. 82. 83. 84.
Present.
85.
Present, ma'am.
86. 86. 87.
87 present.
88. 89.
Present.
90.
Present, ma'am.
91.
Present, ma'am.
92. 92 absent. 93.
Yes, ma'am.
94.
Present, ma'am.
95.
Present, ma'am.
96. 96 absent. 97.
Present, ma'am.
98.
Present.
99.
Present, ma'am.
100. 100 absent. 101.